My camera. Look how cute. Oh my days. I haven't even opened it yet. It's got some little stickers. Oh, it comes with batteries. That's cool. I didn't expect batteries because it's come from wherever. It comes with, so it's like a Polaroid camera. So this one has got little Hello Kitty films, and like you can write on these bits. I did buy a load of plain ones as well because they do like stickers that you can put on the borders and stuff. And there's only 10 in a packet. So it's not a cheap thing, really. It's got a little strap. I have also bought a case for it that's in the same shape, but that's coming from China, so it's going to take ages. And then, it's massive. That is huge. It says it's mini. That is not mini. Look how big that is. It's still so cute though. Oh, I love it. Okay, so you put your film in there, and then it comes out the top. That is so cute. I did also get some filters. I don't really understand how they're gonna fit. Maybe they won't. They weren't expensive, so. On the picture it's showing them going right the way over the top. I don't see how that will work. Oh, it fits on the inside. Okay, cool. That will fit. That should fit. I'm hoping. Oh. No, they don't fit. No. Never mind, I don't need those, to be fair. They were just an extra. I think they fit on the standard cameras, maybe. Because I think they're square and this one's oval. I don't know, hang on. No, I don't want to damage it. Okay, fair enough. They don't fit. But yeah, that's it for now. And I've ordered I ordered 100 films, just plain ones, and I ordered a load of the borders that go around them, and like a little I can't think of the word. A photo album. That's what I'm trying to say. Sorry, I'm so tired. But yeah, it's proper cute. Hee hee hee.